These are some of the channels I went through recently and I saw huge potential in terms of earning. Most of them are in insurance niche, and what stood out immediately wasn't flashy thumbnails or viral style content. It was the business side. Insurance sits right near the top when you rank YouTube niches by earning potential alongside finance and law. Even with moderate views, this niche consistently pulls in strong revenue because the audience watching these videos is already dealing with money, risk, and serious decisions. That's why advertisers pay so much attention to this space. Insurance companies, claim services, legal platforms, and financial tools all compete for the same viewers. One well-targeted video can be far more valuable than millions of entertainment views. Now let's talk about how these kinds of videos are actually made, because this is where most people overthink. The first step is choosing the right idea. You don't think in terms of policies or technical insurance language. You think in situations: a denied claim, a mistake people make after an accident, a loophole in a policy, a simple "what happens if this happens" scenario. These ideas instantly connect with viewers because they feel personal and urgent. Once you have the idea, you open Vexub and choose the text to video option. Since insurance content works best as long-form educational videos, you select the horizontal format and continue. On the next screen, Vexub gives you the option to add an animated character. Because this is a faceless channel, you simply skip that. Instead, you focus on the voice. Choose a calm, trustworthy voice, something neutral and professional. In the insurance niche, the voice alone can determine how long people stay. After that, you paste your video idea or title into Vexub. You don't need to write a full script. Even a single line like "why insurance claims get rejected" is enough. Vexub automatically generates a structured script designed for retention, explaining the topic step by step and keeping curiosity alive until the end. And then go to the next step. Now it's time to choose a theme for the video. Regarding the content category, I think the human videos theme will work better. Then click Start Generation. Within a few moments, Vexub will automatically create a complete high-quality video that's already engaging and well-polished. Once the generation is finished, preview the video. You will immediately notice how clean and professional it looks.
Insurance claims are denied 30% of the time. You think you're covered, right? You pay your premiums every month believing you're protected. But when disaster strikes, you file a claim and nothing happens. Your claim gets rejected.
If you want to make adjustments, you can easily fine-tune things. Swap out certain clips so that they match your story better. Change the background music or adjust the subtitle style to fit your overall vibe. When everything looks exactly the way you want it, click the export. The system will take a short moment to process the final version. After that, you can download the video and it's fully ready to upload to YouTube. So that's the full process. No complicated setup, no editing, no on-camera pressure, just a clear idea, a simple system, and consistent execution. The real advantage isn't just making one video, it's being able to make the second, the 10th, the 100th without burnout. If you stay consistent, improve your topics, and let the process do its job, the results compound quietly over time. That's how serious channels are built. If this helps you see what's possible, stick around. The next videos go deeper into another great topic selection, scripting, and scaling faceless channels the smartest way. I will catch you there. Thank you.